In this video, I will show you how to change your Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser on a PC or mobile device and come across to Fortnite.com. From this website, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto sign in. What it's going to do is take you to this sign in screen, and from here you want to come down to the bottom. You're going to see the Nintendo icon, and if you give this a click, you're going to be able to log in with your Nintendo account details. So once you're logged in, what you need to do, you'll be taken back to the website. You want to come up to the top right hand corner and again click onto your profile name up here. From this menu that comes up, go ahead and click onto account. What that's going to do is take you into your account settings. Now from here you want to make sure on the left hand side that you're clicked onto account settings from this menu here. Then what you can do is click onto the pencil icon next to display name. When you click onto this, you can go ahead and enter a new display name. Just a note, if you change your Epic Games display name, you cannot change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. So just something to bear in mind there, but what you want to do is enter your new name into here. Tick the box to understand you cannot change your display name again for 2 weeks, and then click the blue confirm button. So that is how to change your Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.